opposite angles is, now you tell me which one is it. Only one pair as equal. Many books give it as trapezium or trapezoid, but that is wrong. It should be only one pair, because in trapezium the opposite angles are not congruent. Okay, in rhombus they are congruent, but both the pairs are congruent. In square both the pairs are congruent of opposite angles. Here both the pairs are congruent. Here both parallelogram, both the pairs are congruent. But in kite only one pair is congruent. Opposite angles, opposite angles, one pair is congruent. This and this, and these two angles are not congruent. So the answer is kite. The sum of all exterior angles of a polygon of n sides is always 360. It can never be greater than 360 or less than 360. Here I will give you 3 examples. See this: triangle, rectangle and pentagon. Interior angle for, let's say it's an equilateral triangle. Interior angles are 60, 60, 60. So exterior angles would be 120. See here, interior plus exterior form linear pair. So 180 minus 60, 120, 120, 120, total is 360. Rectangle, 90, 90, 90 all interior. So exterior would be 90, 90, 90 because linear pair. So again 360. Pentagon, interior angle 108. We are talking of regular pentagon over here. 108, 108, 108 5 times. So exterior angle would be 180 minus 108, that is 72, 72 5 times. If you total them, you get 360 again. So that is the meaning of the filling the question over here. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanation directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30 and squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months. You'll learn them within 3 months, but do it with a discipline. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos: IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.